as y'all can see, y'all see what's going on, right? That's a 40 series Flowmaster, and that is a 50 series Flowmaster. So I went and I got two used Flowmasters, 40 series. When he got two 40 series matching Flowmasters, and we went with that. That's what we went with, as y'all can see. Matching and matching. As y'all know, I did get the transmission rebuilt. As y'all can see. Y'all see that transmission. I got that transmission rebuilt. Can't really see it, but y'all see how clean it is. X pipe. I think I want to take this X pipe off because I'm getting a little rattle in my exhaust that I really don't like, and I don't know if that's that X pipe or not. But anyway, let's crank it up. Now that sound better there. It's louder. It's a little bit louder too. Yep, that sound better. It's even. Yep, that sound better. I also put a speedometer in here, because the day I got from the transmission shop, I got pulled over in Covington. So it's ran by GPS. It's ran by GPS. And that's how many miles I done put on it since the transmission been rebuilt.
You want your gear to ride like in the middle.
Gotcha.
If it rides too far like out here, it's not set right. If it rides too far at the back, it's not set right. You want it right there, like right in the middle.
Okay. So this the old one right here, right? That was in here?
No, this Detroit.
Oh, okay, I got you. They go to the Mustang. Yeah. Yeah, YouTube, man, I put them some different LED lights in the front. Took the old ones out. Make it look a little more modern. Cut them out for you. Huh?
The rest of this new gear is gonna have to come out.
I got one of them things that you can get it out with. You know, the little turkey basted thing, whatever you call it?
Yeah.
If you need it.
Yeah, let me see.
Alright. That's what I was using to get the put the transmission fluid in the car. I don't know if this will help. This thing right here. I think that might help.
Which way is?
Oh, you gotta squeeze it and see. I ain't gonna lie. I think that bent end is when you flow it in. It kind of bent on the end. That bent end right there is flowing in.
This one.
No, it's that end right there. Cause that's what I was putting it in with right there. You see what I'm saying? I was putting it in on that end.
Okay.
So I think it go out. You'll see. No, that's going in right there.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah, it's coming. You want me to hold it or come over?
Yeah, it should be good.
Might have to be a certain way. You gotta put it in something in here. Try it.
Still right there.
Yeah, it's coming. I can see it a little bit. Might be a certain way you gotta. Alright, YouTube, as y'all can see, we changed the lights out in the front. Changed the lights out in the front. So what I'm gonna do, I didn't know that it was turn signals in the lights. Y'all can see that little U. I'm gonna hook up these turn signals because I did not know that they were turn signals. And they look pretty good. So let me hook up these turn signals, see how they look. Y'all like that? Never done the other side yet. Yeah, YouTube. My guy had hit me up. He said, "Man, make a longer video." But man, I'm already on the road, and my guy had already got started, so it's hard to get that footage like I want to, cause I'm already on the road. But I don't know if I done showed y'all the AC lines. Did I show y'all the AC lines? Probably gonna see if he'll charge it up for me tomorrow and get the AC jumping. But this car coming together, man. Looks pretty good. So what we gonna try to do, if he's coming back tonight, if you get a chance to come back tonight, we're gonna set the car down. When we set the car down, I don't have the throttle cable hooked up. I'm gonna put it in gear. I'm gonna hold the brake inside the car, and I'm gonna let him hit the throttle just a little bit to see if both tires gonna spin. So he gonna hit the throttle a little bit. I'm gonna hold the brake in the inside. We're gonna see if both tires will spin. Just a little chirp. We ain't gonna do much. Just a little chirp if he coming back tonight. So he had to go and use some of his stuff that he got at the house to get that gasket, that old gasket off the housing back there, so he can put it down, put it on the damn differential thing. Yeah, man, I just really got off the road, just got off work, but just kind of wanted to give you guys an update of what's going on. As y'all can see the turnaround time. Y'all see the turnaround time. That's all I'm gonna keep saying. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. No, I haven't posted much about the Cutlass. Only thing I did to the Cutlass was I got the AC lines. These are the original Cutlass lines. The hose that I was telling y'all that y'all gotta get. As y'all can see, it fits right on the money. But I had to bend this down right here a little bit so I can get the kink out. It was a kink right there, but we got it out. It was a kink right there, but I had to bend it down and I couldn't bolt it down, which is fine. It ain't going nowhere, as you can see. It ain't going nowhere. Everything new. Only thing you gotta do is vacuum the system down and put some Freon in it. See how that turn out. But a lot of people ask me about this car. Is it gonna be for sale? Man, I really don't want to sell it, but I will. We talking about 10 or more. If I do sell it, I raise this car up just a little bit. Not much, just a little bit. But that's the next thing that I'm gonna do to this car. We're gonna vacuum the AC system down. And we're gonna put some air in this thing. We're gonna put some air in it. Inside still clean. Got them LED lights on the floor. Still cleaning up. Headlamp. All clean OG car console that I built for the ones that's tuning in. Dash pad all the way across there. But yeah, YouTube, I'm waiting on my guy to get back and put these drums back on, put them, what's them 14s, 15-inch tires back on. It ain't much to do. Wait on my throttle cable. Wait on that to come in. Hooked up the lights in the front. We're gonna go to the exhaust shop probably this weekend. Go to the exhaust shop. We're gonna do flow masters. Got the flow masters right there. We're gonna do flow masters, dump them right after the flow masters. That's what we gonna do. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'm going to wait on him to get back, and I'm gonna try to do a light burnout. Just tap it just to see if both tires spin. That's all we gonna do. That's all we gonna do. Let me hit y'all back. All right, YouTube. We got the 373 posi in. My throttle cable came in. I've set that like I want to. So now let's do a select, like a quick little burnout, see what it do. One gear. Two gears. Oh, we in the game now. Ain't gonna drive it far because I don't know about his tab. I know it changed 1 and 2. But he got a different gear in there too though, so. Okay, that's 1 gear. Okay, that's another gear. That's it. That's all I need. Take it back to the house now. Take it back to the house. YouTube, man, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. As y'all can see, the car is driving under its own power. Tomorrow, which is Saturday, I'm gonna try to get it to the muffler shop. It's a muffler shop up the street. It's another muffler shop in Millington, Drummond's or something like that. They a little bit cheaper, but I don't know, man. A lot of stuff is just going high, just getting high. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. As y'all can see, this car is basically done. I'm just gonna look at some things, make sure nothing leaking, and that's it, man. So no, probably give it a good wash. And y'all stay tuned for the video that's gonna come for the Cutlass. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.